Good afternoon. I'm Patrick. I'm a disabled investor. It is Wednesday, March 19th, 2025. And today, I made a couple of trades. I bought a couple of put options, one for Tesla and one for Nvidia. I'm concerned that with the turmoil that's going on, we might see some more downside. So I'm protecting myself against that. By buying those options. I could be wrong, and today I was because both of those underlying stocks went up. But April 2nd is approaching fast, which is Tariff Day. So we shall see what happens. I ended the day at $89,425, which is about 1% higher than I started the day. So that's good. I will definitely take it. I thought today I would also show you my portfolio. You can see it. I'm changing up the video format here today just to show you what I've got, and just so you know what I'm doing and keeping myself accountable, if you know what I mean. Anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. We're up to 230 subscribers now. Thanks for everybody who has taken a moment to subscribe, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.